Hi everyone, this looks like a new exhibit they're building. Looks really good. Lots of stuff, and as you can see, this stuff is hand done. Really good. Takes a lot of time to do it. So this is hand done, most of this stuff, which is really good. And you can see him over there, he's busy. So all these statues are all hand done, and they're building this new exhibit. Anyway, we're gonna keep going on our bike. Just thought I would stop by here and have a look and see what they're doing. So this is one of the statues here. Really great. I'm gonna stop in here for a minute and take some pictures and then see what I can do. Really nice boat bridge here. We're gonna go for a little bit of a walk through this area and see what we can see here. So they told me I have to leave my bike on the road, so I'm sort of wonder if someone will take it, but I guess that's a chance I take when you're walking and biking through a park. Anyway, go for a little bit of a walk through here and see what's going on. Really lush vegetation. Seen a few mosquitoes out here, not that bad. I wouldn't want to be here at night though. But anyway, it's been pretty good so far. Really beautiful, really nice here. We'll just follow the path. So there's a place where someone can sit and drink some tea, I guess, over there. It looks like we're coming up to a really interesting statue up here. We'll take some pictures of. Love the dragon. I'll show you in just a second. So I guess you're not allowed to go up there. And there we go. This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna get some pictures here and I'm gonna keep moving along. So that looks really interesting over here. Really cool. And I'll get a little bit more of a look. And they have something here to tell you about the park. And there we go. See you in a few minutes.